Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. This should be basically part 3, maybe 4 part 3 of install of the sound system in my car. Okay, I did the rear doors first, the front doors first. So I did the sound deadening, install the new speakers. So what I'm doing now, we're gonna go and start installing the mid and the tweeter, and the last step is probably the amp. I might make a separate video for that. So let's go and start the process. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button down below. Beep, beep, beep. Put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this little cover there. You should be able to grab a trim removal tool and you should be able to just pop it. Okay, I got it. There is a small screwdriver to take it off. Okay, right now you can just pull the speaker out, guys. It's fairly easy. Unplug. Okay, that's it. That's a old one. Let me get the new one so we can install it. All right guys, already made, ready to go. All right guys, I put a little bit of Morel foam tape on top of that, to have the sound come out really nicer. So now all we was left to do is connect it. Boom. And then I think it goes this way. Yeah. And put the screws that hold it. Okay guys, so that's in. So now we gotta take out the tweeter. To take out the tweeter, let's take the rubber seal off. We need to find a way to pop this thing off. To get access to the tweeter, we got to take this thing out. So what we do, we just use your fingernails right here. You could use a trim removal tool too. All right, that pops out, and then just keep pulling it out. Okay, so there's 2 of them holding it. So now let me see if you guys just see right here, there's 2 clips. The one on the top, one on the bottom. So you use the pliers to pinch them, or you could probably try to use your fingernails to pinch them, and then you can pull this out. There's a second one. There's a second one right here. So you do the same thing. All right, guys. It's hard to show it to you. I'm gonna try to attempt it with the pliers. So just move it, pinch those 2 little things. Okay, I got one of them. Let me do the other one. The other one, I'm gonna try to use my fingers behind the door, behind the airbag. Okay, I got it, guys. I got it. I'll show you in a little bit what I mean. All right, now let me unplug the tweeter. Okay, you just press a clip. Okay guys, so this is it. So there's 2 clips right here. You press these 2 clips to unlatch it. Okay, so once you're done, you got to put this back into the thing. All right, so it goes into the hole like this. There you go. So we do the same thing on the next one. Make sure it clips in. There you go. That's it, guys. All right, to take out the tweeters, there's a bunch of clips holding it. So I'm gonna try to move the clips and push it at the same time. All right, I got it, guys. It's out. Now, all right, this is the new tweeter that was sent to me. So I'm gonna see it. Hopefully this sits properly. It should. I need to figure out how to install the tweeter in there, guys. I'm trying just a little bit off here so the new tweeter can sit super nice and flush. Let's give it a try again. Oh yeah, that's good. All right guys, I finished it. Here you go. You see how nice it looks? This is the back. So the kit come with this little bracket. You just push the bracket underneath here, and I put one screw. You just make sure it doesn't pop out the other side. So you don't need a lot to hold it, you just need enough. So there you go, tweeter is installed. All right guys, I just put a little foam on top of the speaker to help the sound come out even way better and nicer. So all we have to do is put it back into the little pocket there. The thing I love about this kit, you know, everything is plug and play. All you have to do is take the old one out, put the new one in. Okay, now we put the two screws that hold the mid. Not a two. I got the mid installed. So while we here, since I didn't run the cable for the tweeter, I mean for the amp yet, I'm gonna have to wait to put the whatchamacallit, the airbag, I mean the A-pillar cover back. So all I'm gonna do now is do the same thing I did on the passenger side, in the driver side, and we do the same thing to take out the cover. The door sealed, then you grab it from here, you pull, it should unclip, pull again, okay, and then pull the middle part too. Okay. Oh my goodness. To take out the little clip, it's the same thing that I did on the other one. You need your pliers. Okay. I got one, and the other one is the same way. Okay, got it. Haha. Okay, now we unplug it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing I did to the other one. Let's go. All right guys, there you go, looking beautiful. This is all good for now. Now I gotta leave this like that for now because I need to run the wires for the tweeters, because the tweeters are connected differently. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have time to run them tonight. I'm probably gonna have to reconvene another day. Okay, so that's it for now.